Hello! How are we all doing? It's a nice day. It's a bit later than we'd normally do our vlogs, but I've got Dimwit with me here, as you can see. There.
Who?
You heard?
No, I didn't.
Dimwit.
Dimwit.
Brad, you're a dimwit. Anyway,
he ain't very nice to me, is he?
No, well...
Is he? Seeing as I'm the one that started up his YouTube channel.
You want to see what he's like with me off camera.
I'm dead nice.
Yeah, you can
dead
imagine,
nice.
People. Anyway, so we've come down to the river. It's a nice river. It's not full of crap like the Mersey. Because it actually, this is what flows into the River Mersey. So we're going to set up and we're going to see if we can find anything interesting.
That's pretty deep.
It is very deep. Yeah.
You got something?
Yeah, got some fishing line.
Film it.
Yeah, it's a bit stuck. There's no fish on it anyway. Don't want that. So, as everybody can see, we're magnet fishing. Oh, hey! That's gonna get lost now. That.
Oh, what have I got there?
Why is it? Is it stuck?
It's massive, whatever it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
So,
Is that?
more fishing line. Don't forget, people come fishing here. Very rocky bottom here, so you don't know what you're gonna get, because chances are it's gonna fall off. Have we got anything? Have we, buggery? Nothing at all. But hey ho, here we go. A little too high, a little too low. Problem with rivers is they have a bumpy bottom, so a lot of the time. Oh yeah, I'm stuck on something there. Oh, I think my magnet's stuck actually. Oh no, it's coming back. I don't know, I don't think we're going to have much luck here, people, but who knows? Who the heck knows? Oh, it's pretty hard doing this one-handed, people. Oh, have we got anything? And again, no we haven't. I don't know. I think it's going to be harder than you think on this magnet fishing. So we're not having much luck here because it's a river and there's loads of rocks and stuff in the way. But we'll find somewhere. You what? No, I'm thinking off this concrete bit here. You got your magnet? You need your magnet. I don't really want to go that way, I'll end up falling in. Yeah, I'm going to get stung to death.
I don't know why you put shorts on.
Because I've got sexy legs.
Nothing actually there.
Should we think of somewhere else to go?
I'm thinking the bridge.
No.
We're kind of just in a fishing spot here, whereas the bridge is on the main road. If we park our bikes at Burnham Park, we can actually walk down and go under the bridge. And you only have to walk about like 200 yards. Not 2 miles this time.
Right, well, why don't we just leave the bikes where they are, and we'll do that anyway. Okay?
Probably more safer over
No,
there.
they're not. We'll leave the bikes where they are. We both need a new bike anyway, so we'll get a payout on the insurance, won't we? Lead the way, Brad. I'm filming you, filming me.
You're just filming my backside.
Oh, look at it. Big and fat duck ass.
It is big and fat.
Yeah, big duck ass. Waddles as he walks. Right, so we've come into the new bit. We're going to go for walkies down here. Brad gets out of my way. God, he's such a vlog block. He gets in your way all the time.
I'm not even in the
You're
vlog.
in the way. Get out of my way.
Are you filming forwards?
I'm filming you right
I
now.
thought you were
Oh
filming
God, that's a right
backwards.
big spot on your head.
Is it?
No, I was just winding you up. So yeah, so we're going for a walk through the woods.
I thought you were filming backwards.
Private Fishing Stockport Federation. What are you doing, holding it above me?
Yeah.
Ooh, we go through in the woods. I'm going to get stung going through it, aren't I? Because there's neckles everywhere.
You even filming?
I am filming. I'm continuing filming.
Why
Because
ain't you put all the other blocks up?
they're all the same. Ooh. As you can see, it's a bit of a dumping ground for crap. As everywhere else in Stockport is. Possibly. One day, people, you'll see me vlogs when I'm living in the sunshine, as I will eventually be moving to Cornwall, which is a nice place in England. And
I won't move to Cornwall.
I am. No, I'm moving to Falmouth.
Hale or Newquay?
Falmouth, which is not far from Newquay, about 25-minute drive. How the hell are we getting over there? We need to get over there, people.
I don't know.
Right over there.
Ju-
I ain't walking all the way under there.
Well, the idea was to go on that side. I didn't know.
You said walk this way. But yeah, anyway, as I was saying, over the next 2 years, year and a half, I'd like to hope it'd be next summer, but I am going to be moving into England's version of paradise, shall we say. There's lots to do right by the sea, and yeah, hopefully I will get to go there one day and live there. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's let's move on and see where we can find a decent place to magnet fish. Doesn't look too bad. Brad doesn't like getting wet. Got a nice stone. Let's see if we can get him wet. So yeah, we'll see what's what. Ah, you shit yourself!
You knobhead. Who throws a stone at people?
I was throwing it in the water. No, I think we need to find somewhere better than this, you know. Give it one try with your magnet and see how you get on. See it late, Brad wants us to go right under there. And I don't think we're going to be able to get right under there myself, personally. No, mate, we ain't getting down there. No way. So, what's the plan, Brad?
The only place I can think of is Pebble Beach. But you just can't be bothered walking.
No, it's not the case, right? So you want to walk to Pebble Beach? If we have no look at Pebble Beach, are we going where I say then?
Where's that?
I don't know yet, I've not decided. Oh, now we don't want to go anywhere. Come on, let's have a walk to Pebble Beach. So, we found a new place. Yeah. Looks like there might be some good finds around here. Who knows? I'll reduce the river goes though. Goes from that to that. That to that. Right, well, it's quite a steep edge, so I'm going to stop recording while I try and climb down to the bottom. And then I've got to climb back up again, but it's alright, I get a piggyback off Brad, so I'll start recording again in a minute. So, Brad thinks he can get this safe. I'm going to go for whatever else I can find. That's my safe. First come, first served it.
I saw it, I get it. Go, dangle!
The door on it. Oh, no door on it. So, don't know how much footage I've got, but done this magnet fishing here. So far I've pulled out this lock, pulled out a big piece of metal bar with some sort of wire wrapped around it, I pulled out a pedal bike wheel, but more interestingly, where have I put it now? I've lost it. More interestingly, I have just found, sorry, no you can't see, just looked on the ground and I found this bottle. Now, from what I remember, there's a lot of bottle pits around in Stockport. Now, this bottle says something on the side.
What's it say?
So, and it looks like it's got like a pearlescent colour into it. So I'm going to go down to the river. I'm going to wash this bottle up and see what it comes up like. Because it's a nice bottle. I just nearly fell in the water, but never mind. Go over here without getting wet in all that smudge and horrible slushy stuff. Brad's over there, as you can see. What I'm more interested in is this bottle. This bottle's very, very nice. So, we're down at the river. You can see. Oh, sugar. My phone's falling over left, right, and centre, but hey ho, you know. So we've got the bottle, let's give it a clean. Hose sauce, H-O-E-S, sauce. Hose sauce! Hose sauce it's called. It's a nice bottle anyway. Man, I found it, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Just trying to get it away from the sun. No, that's not good. Yeah, that's the best place. Yeah, so that's what it is. As you've just seen, I found this bottle. It's called Hose Sauce. Looks like quite an old bottle. It's not really a straight necked bottle if you look at it. I reckon it's old, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it home, because I've not got any internet on my phone at the moment because I've not paid my bill. Oops a daisy. I'm going to check it out, what hose sauce is. So years ago there used to be loads of bottle pits around Stockport, and I think we're actually stood, if you can look at the landscape, people used to dig them out and sell the bottles. So, who knows? Hang on a minute. But what's there? See that? That is a 50p piece. And that looks like it's been there because it's almost looks like it's copper. That is from 2006. Oldest one we've found yet. So yeah, I'm 50p better off now. Very discoloured, so it's obviously been there a while. But yeah, as I was saying, as you can see, there's broken bottles, glass, look, even here, this blue glass, bluey green, you can see it's like a bluey green. I think that's Victorian glass. Look, there's another piece of bluey green, which is it's quite thick, strong glass, which obviously years ago. Look, there's another one. So we're definitely on a bottle pit, but hey ho, it's a nice colour actually. If you can see the green is, it's almost like a blue. Like, it's not because it's dirty, you can see the texture in it. It's a nice colour, but that is meant to be Victorian when it's greeny blue. So Brad's just told me. I don't know how true that is. I'm just going off what Brad's. Can you see the green in that? It's a nice colour green, that. So I'm gonna go home, do some research, and who knows, I might come down here looking at digging some old bottles up if they're worth anything. No, there's just glass everywhere. What's that? It's a jar for lid, glass that's not very old. Look, even this you can see. Can you see the colouring in the glass? Can you see that tinge there? So, who knows, people? Might be back here digging up bottles next week. We'll see what's what. As you can see, all the ground's been dug out from right up there all the way down, and there's just pot, glass, things like that all over. Look, can you see that? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Can you see the purpley tinge to that brown glass? It's weird, very weird. Anyway, I think that's all we're going to do for today. So if you like my video, give us a thumbs up, or a bottles up in my case. If you want to subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. And other than that, everybody take it easy, be sensible, be safe, and I'll see you soon.